Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's a Cosmos Black Metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with a spiral look trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, charging outlets, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic select for our different driving patterns. This GLB has 23,044 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.